Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So today I'd like to show you two different ways which will provide you with proper information about the serial number of this device. And the first one is much quicker than the other one. It requires a secret code, and the second one is by using the settings. So let's start with a secret code. Let's enter the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way. As I said, by using the settings, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And right here we have to scroll down again to find the status. And as you can see right here in the last section, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.